Welcome to our beginner's guide on total body waxing. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to get smooth, long-lasting results. Why choose waxing? Here are some benefits. Longer lasting results, finer regrowth, and natural skin exfoliation. Before you start, make sure you have all the essentials. Exfoliate your skin, prepare your wax kit, and always do a patch test to avoid any reactions. Let's go through the steps. Step 1, clean the area thoroughly. Step 2, heat the wax carefully following the instructions. Avoid common mistakes like reapplying wax on the same spot. Remember, prevention is key to a smooth waxing experience. Let's debunk some common waxing myths. Myth: waxing makes hair grow back thicker. Fact: it actually grows back finer over time. Share this video if you've heard these myths. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share for more tips. Leave your tips or questions in the comments below.